All right, we had a question that we wanted to address out of the 4.4 homework, and this is number 4. And I think it's the same for everybody. And the problem says if a radio station call letters must begin with either a K or W and must include either 2 or 3 additional letters, how many different possibilities are there? And so I don't know if you know what radio call station numbers are, but every radio station has a certain call. When I was a kid, there was a station, KZAP, here in Sacramento, right? Started with the K and had 3 additional letters, right? And so it's something like that. There's others, I think 96.1 is KTCT, something like that. So that's what they're after. And evidently it could have not just 3 additional letters, but also 2. It's actually that, let me highlight that for just a minute. It's actually this right here that's going to cause us a little bit of extra work. But let's separate them into categories. So let's suppose, remember, that it has 2 additional letters. So I'm going to put 2 additional letters right here. Okay. And then it could have 3 additional letters. So as we go to work this out, if it's a radio call station that has 2 additional letters, then there's the first letter and 2 additional letters. Well, the first letter can either be a K or a W, so there's 2 choices only for that first letter, not a whole bunch. But when I go to get the next letter, it really could be anything. It could be KKZ, KW, whatever, W, whatever, right? And so I got 26 choices for that letter, and I have 26 choices for the following additional letter. So in that process, I didn't bring a calculator with me. Let me bring one up, though, on another system that I have. But we have 2 times 26 times 26, which is big. And that's just for the 2 situation. So apologize that I wasn't fully prepared. I get 1352. 1,352 word or radio call station letters. It can be that way. 2 times 26 times 26. For the 3 additional call letters, again, it's the first letter plus 3 additional. Well, there's only 2 ways to get that first number. It's got to be a K or W. There's 26 ways to get the next one because it could be A, B, C, D, all the way up to Z. There's nothing that says that a letter can't be repeated, so evidently W, 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 W is a possibility. 26 and 26. So now we have 2 times 26 times 26 times 26, and we get 35,152. Well, it could be either of the 2 additional letter form or the 3. So because of that, let me get rid of something really quick so it doesn't bleed into our work. We're going to add those 2. Either it's the 2 additional letters or the 3. So I'm going to take the 35,152, add to that the 1,352, and we get a total of 36,504. 36,504 different radio call letters, right? I think that radio station call letters. So hopefully that makes sense. It's a nice fill in the slots. It's very similar to other examples where things can be repeated. The one difference is that first slot only had 2 choices. The other big difference is it's one of the few that you'll find where there's 2 possibilities that you have to account for. When it's like that, we need to be really careful that we handle one of them and then the other and then add the 2. So hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for watching.